Okay. So our customer segment includes the questions which we were supposed to address in the customer segments were: for whom are we creating the value? Who are our most important customers? So we identified four major customers which we'll be targeting. The first one is the hospitals. The problem the hospitals are facing right now is the current technology which is available. It is expensive, and the quality of care and resources. There's lack of resources. The health insurance, the second major customer can be the health insurance company, as it is beneficial for them because they can increase their customer base. The third major customer is the parents who actually want the baby to be healthy, and they are the one who are the front face of our business and who will actually be using our product. The fourth is the government who will be funding the technology, and because they actually want their public to be healthy. And this is a graph which shows the network between all the major customers. The center of the graph is the baby, of the diagram is the baby, which is interlinked with the parents, the hospital, the government, and the insurance. If we want the baby to be healthy, we have to be in contact with everyone. They cannot work in isolations. So that is the best part of it. So that is our customer segment.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the value propositions to the that we offer to the customers. So, what are the values? What problem are we solving of them, and what are the needs that we satisfy? Deriving from the customer segment, we can say that for the parents, the need the problem is that the baby survives. That the baby survives or has better health. So we fulfill the need for the to ease the emotional and financial trouble. For the government, the need for a better public health is fulfilled and to lower the costs. Then for the health insurance, they can make money out of this product. So because they will gather more customers, and they will increase the service and that's how they get more customers. And the fourth and not the least important one is that the hospitals, they increase their quality of healthcare, and they get a better survival rate. They increase their reputation, and they can provide with lower costs. They can provide a better service to their customers. Okay.
Okay, so that leaves us with the pitch deck. So I'm just going to go through it quickly. So the problem we're solving is that preterm mortality and morbidity is the major problem, and LifePod is a device that will support these babies through this problem. The target market is government, as my colleague said, government, hospitals, parents, insurance companies, and customer development. And the next part down is how are we going to acquire customers? Well, we're going to use customer development. We're going to talk to doctors. We're going to talk to the parents. And the next part down is to sustain the initiative financially. Well, at this stage, it could be sales of the product and private investors, but we see this as something that is going to be much later, because at this point we're not creating a revenue from a product. Key competitions, well, other organisations working in this space that are also developing options for preterm babies. So we're also acting as competition for them. The big opportunity is that it's scalable, there is a real need, and it is a global problem. A differentiating edge, it's multidisciplinary. Sorry, that's the wrong.
New technology.
So it's a new technology. It reduces mortality and morbidity. And also, are we the right team? Well, it's a multidisciplinary team. We have engineers, there'll be medical people involved in this, and because of the type of project it is, it's bionic. It's a bionic project. And what we do first, well, the first things we need to do is really tighten up who our market is, what our problem is, and how we're going to solve this. Who is the most important customer? And what we do first, we need to come up with ideas, resources, and what are we seeking? Resources, money, and more ideas. And just to summarise, so the problem is that preterm babies are born and they can't help this. They can't be helped at this time. We see an opportunity because there is no other options out there for these preterm babies, and we have a solution in the form of a new type of technology. Okay, thank you very much.